अहानबदा मरुओइबा पाव मणिपुर लेरिबा सिविल सोसाइटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सिंह अमता ओइना पुनसिनबिरो हाइना चीफ मिनिस्टर एन बिरेना अपील तौरक्ली अमदी नारायण सैना मनिंग लेकाई खोइरेंताक सुनुसिफाई फुबालादा कुकी टेररिस्ट सिंगना नोमै कापसिल लकपा नुमित हुमनि सुरे हौजिकसु अकन ममोंगदा कापनरी नॉर्थ ईस्ट विंडो टीवी ना संदोक्चरिबा नुंगथलगी पाव सिबो मीटिंग ताबिरिबा पुमनमकपु चैप्लिना मैस्नाम ने कोकनोना खरमजरी हौजिक पाव संदोंगना पिजरी आजादी का अमृत महोत्सव के सरुक अमा ओइना मेरी माटी मेरा देश के ngasi स्टेट लेवल थौरम इम्फाल ईस्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट के मनुचनबा पैलेस गेटा लेबा मणिपुर स्टेट फिल्म डेवलपमेंट सोसाइटी MSFDS के ऑडिटोरियम दा पांगथोखरे Social Welfare Minister 𝐂𝐒𝐏𝐏𝐄𝐎, Education Minister ꯊꯧꯅꯥꯎꯖꯝ ꯕꯁꯟꯇ ꯀꯨꯃꯥꯔ Works amadi Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Govindas Konthozam, Health Minister Dr. Sapam Branjan, Public Health Engineering Minister Laisangthem Susindro, Agriculture amadi Commerce and Industries Minister Thongam Biswajit, Transport Minister Kashim Washum amadi Patsoi SC MLA Sapam Kunjakesor Sarugyakhi Thauramadaga Mari Lainana Chief Minister N Birena Manipur da Lup Masing Yambana India government amadi Manipur Lengakna Wat Tanabada Karamba Lup ka Tanagani Kangdana Lairibasi Koknaba Lup Kudimakna Amata Oina Punsin Biu Haina Apil Toke Mahakna Haiki Haukiba Me Marida Nongpok Sekmagi Mapam Amada Tokiba Laibak Tiba Todok Amana Manipur da Malem Manipurbu Malemgi Mapam Kudimakta Minungsi Yaudaba Nupi Angangda Ot Neiba Amagum Uhanke Todok Adugi Manungda Kari Lay Kangdana Miam da Hekta Lana Uhanbagi Tabak Kaidongway da Su Tauredabani Miam Mangda Mapi Tongdana Pukiba Kukinupi Ani Miamna Amuk Mapi Marul Set Handuna Mayum Tamna Tinkiba Asimak Akway Choktok Janingai ni Haina Chief Minister na Fongdoke Mahakna Hai Manipur da Tokliba Irang Asige Warushin Ama Pragnaba Lengak Asina Kanna Hotnari Irang Asi Kanglup Anigi Marakta Tokpan Nate Manipurgi Mapandagi Narol da Changla Kiba Chinkuki Narco Terrorist Singna Landarakpa Lan Amani Lan Asi Loshina Bahotnabada Matam Kharat Changani Haiki
Ayhoragana Matam Queenadagi Manga Galapa, indigenous people singi, right, hug, democracy, system, Adu Angela, indigenous people, some of the lady Mayamsi. Fachuna with dignity, Hingogudaba. Masida Karigumba, steps, Hoigraba. Salibu steps, the Gaquin of it, Lady Manipur Toy, but Togosi Gaquina, steps, Hoigraba. Emotion among Hargasat Kraba. Natraga kalag yang tina ban mang tharga sat kraba natraga aigi have individual ego or aigi have individual gi mingsat tana bun masana grakadi laivak gi tungi mirol sathina kaibama laihogudaba haiba punamaksi manipur gi praja punamang na khangbiramuni thangiba khongthang thangadaba khongthang si karino haibasi khongama thangdingeda manga tarara khallaga thangba matam thangjallerba khongthang oiragasu maphamduda Tagado Bolay had a money and to walk to Polambi and the Mamatam. Madam the Soybayada, Gay Dugumba, situation to me. Nang Yam Liba, High Yam Liba, discussing the Carida to be among the Pamaga, Nang Bay. But practically implement away our Readabra, Siki Portman. Assembly session number Kongan of Honor, but the Pamdan of Honor, but the Karam angle, the Kari Laga Kari Tenagi Gay. I was doing a cupboard of my am the war, going Hanagri. Masima Pamnaba Masima Warepam along and honor with the governments in Kayam Warang with the Gabs Mam, we can be. But we took the state. Sarkar Sigi, Akoya Dugumba, Party Nadekoi, Manipur, Aigi, political benefit, correct them, the Yon Topang Badum party the Quinate. The root cause of the crisis, root cause of the conflict. Honorable Union Home is a clear cut hunger. Akoi Yolamba Mayambo Shit, political benefit, correct them. Akogi democratically Kalaway, Kanoshimu Mutat of Honor and Piat and the Honor and Praja Mayambu, Wahana, Abswabu, Salagan and of Honor Mayamdo. Maya Kunki, Hojikshu, Manipur Prajada in Apil Thousand Embassy. Please come and trust from you. Manipur kanduri se koi mayam punamak praja singi support kaloina kanduri ai koi khongpham ama lengoi
Bishnupur district ke manung chanba Naran Saina Maning Lekai amadi Khoiren Takta Kuki terrorist singa state force ka haukiba numit nini dagi nongmai kapnarakpadu ngasi phawba leptana chathari Nomai kamna ba aduda Kuki terrorist khara siramba yai haina panari loinana hauzik sunu sifai amadi fubala dasu nomai kapnari hairi hauzik phawbagi oinadi state force ke maikaida asok apan yaubagi paw leitri British ke mayokta lan thengnakiba athoba hypo jadonang leikidabagi chahi Marifu Taranithoi surakpagi ningsting numit thoram Assam Rifles na civil administration ka loinana Kombiron village Khopum Valley Sankhomai village Senapati district amadi Tamenglong district ta pangthoktuna ikai khumnabo utkre Khopum Valley gi Gaidimzang da hypo jadonangi masunupa zi malangmaina ahal laman sing amadi Kambirol amasung manak nakpa khulgi khunja sing yauna pangthokiba thoram aduda hypo jadonangi maphamda lei pareng katuna ikai khumnaba utkhi tungda women's volleyball match men's football match amadi tug of war na chingba activities kaya loinana medical camp amasu pangthoki hairi Hauzik Togliba Tongan ba Kanglup ki irang asida asok apan nanglaba Singbu Raj Medicity ki Maikaidagi ana layeng chathabada kharada oirabasu mateng pangna ba pandamda Kaisamthong SC ge MLA Sapam Nisikanta amadi mahaki team Nisikanta gi Maikaidagi hospital asida ngarang sel oina lupa lising yangkai ge mateng pangkhre MLA Sapam Nisikanta na sel gi mateng panglakpa aduda Raj Medicity ki chairman amadi managing director oiriba Haubizam Rajan Singh na MLA bu thagat pafongdokhi masigi mathakta MLA asina Caesar Hospital da suchatuna mapam aduda Kanglup ki irang da soktuna pukhalakpa miyoi singidamak ana lying oibada mateng oina Caesar Hospital gi managing director Dr. 𝐂𝐏𝐏𝐿 gasu unaduna sel gi mateng pangkhi Handak Mizoram da pangthokadoriba assembly mikhalga mari lainana mapam asida sem sariba sing yengsinba lakiba election commission of India gi team na ngarang tongan ba stakeholders sing political parties sing amadi government ke agency sing ge mihut singa unakre unabadu da chief election commissioner CEC Razib Kumar na Luchingbaga loinana election commissioners Anup Chandra Pandey, Arun Goel, senior deputy election commissioner Nitesh Vyas, deputy election commissioners Hirdas Kumar Amadi RK Gupta loinana ECI gi high ranking official Taranithoi su sarugyakhi Haukiba pungkun marigi manungda state asigi mapam kharada nongmai kapnabagi thodok thokibaga loinana atopa mapam kharada tongan ba demand singda wakat mipam kaya chathaki Manipur Police Control Room dagi thadrakpa cherol amagi matung ina ngarang security force singna Kangpokpi Thoubal Churachandpur amadi Imphal West district ke mapam singda thiba humbage thabak chathaki maduda Kangpokpi amadi Imphal West district ke mapam singdagi nongmai manga maru kuntra mathoi pokhaiba yaba potlam taramapan IED sembada changba potlam sing packet ahum loinana meter tara sangba cortex phagat pangamkhe Irang kanba mapam singda security gi akanba checksin thaurang sing makha tana lokhatli Manipur gi tongan ba district singda checkpoint chama kuntra semgatki loinana miyoi lising amaga chatruk nifut taruki mathakta wahang pahong chathiki haina police control room gi cherol asina makha tana khangalakli Handak Mizoram da pangthokadoriba assembly mikhalga mari lainana state asida sem sariba sing yengsinba lakiba election commission of India gi team na ngarang tongan ba stakeholders sing political parties sing amadi government ki agency sing gi mihut singa unakre unabadu da commission gi maikaidagi interstate check post sing da yumthang nariba state sing dagi niyam kaina sel pusilakpa mayai kaba chinjak sing pusilakpa thingna ba law enforcing agency sing da pautak pk Masigi mathakta commission asina social media gi mathakta akanba miteng changduna aranba pau sandokpa thingnabasu pautak pikhi Commission asina Chief Electoral Officer, State Police ki Nodal Officer, District Election Officer Singh, Chief Secretary, Director General of Police amadi District Tarataret ki SP Singasu unaduna wa khanaki Tungda Election Commission of India ge mihut Singh aduga paumi singo unaki Chief Election Commissioner Razib Kumar na haikibada commission ge maikaidagi handak pangthokadoriba mikhal asi aron athup yaudana kanglun chumna pangthoknaba hotnari masida media na democracy ge khwaidagi chawraba kumai asi maipakna pakhanna mateng pangbiu haiki Razib Kumar na makata na haikibada handaki mikhal asla bot Thadaba yariba voter singi masing asi nupadagi nupina masing yamna heli masimak Mizoram gi oina positive oiba khongthang amani panbayai madudi ECI gi record ki matung ina Mizoram gi oina polling station listing amaga chani humputara taruk leidi masigi manungda kunithoi amadi gari chathok chasin tawbada khudong chadaba mafam singni amadi taramapan amana Hi tongduna chatkadaba mafam sing yauri. Mikhal asigidama apunba voter masing asi lakh nipanga lising kuntra nipani. Masigi manungda voter lakh mariga lising tarukna nupa voter ni amadi voter lakh mariga lising kuntra ni toina nupi voter sing ni.
The ordinary resident of a place is what is the definition under that section, on the basis of which the electoral roll is finalized. So each DO, in whichever localities they are, in 1 or 2 districts essentially, the DOs take that call under the section 20(7) of the Representation of People Acts, based on the ordinary residents and depending on the will of the people where they want to remain as the electors. There are detailed instructions which Commission has given on mapping of the vulnerability, and that is in play. That has been explained to the district officials. They have identified also, including these areas, something close to 33 vulnerable areas. The assessment is, as far as the voting is concerned, we are more on the electoral integrity part of it. Whosoever is a voter must be allowed to vote, and nobody who is not a voter should not be allowed to vote. That is what the district electoral officers will ensure within the law.
Manipur da civil society organization sing amata oina punstin biro haina Chief Minister N Birena appeal directly. Amadi Naran Saina maning laikai khoiren tak sunusify fubalada kuki terrorist sing na nomay kapsil lakpa numit humni sure hauzik su akan mamong da kapnari. Matang asida hauzi pungza si fawgi Northeast Window TV gi Manipuri Paulo Sinjare meeting tabiri papum namakpu Chaplina MAISNAM na amukan na krum zabagaloy na kaina na bayathang ni sari.